In a bold and intriguing move, Mercedes-AMG has introduced the GT Motorsport Collector's Edition, a unique sports car that not only celebrates the brand's storied motorsport heritage but also acknowledges the recent challenges faced by its Formula One team. This limited edition vehicle is designed for enthusiasts and collectors alike, capturing the essence of racing while serving as a reminder of the resilience required to thrive in the competitive world of motorsport. The GT Motorsport Collector's Edition features a striking design that pays homage to Mercedes-AMG's racing lineage. With distinctive livery inspired by the brand's Formula One cars, the vehicle stands out with its sleek lines and aggressive stance. The bold color scheme combines traditional Mercedes-Benz aesthetics with modern racing flair, making it a must-have for fans of the brand and motorsport enthusiasts. The attention to detail in the design reflects the precision and craftsmanship that Mercedes-AMG is known for, elevating the car beyond mere aesthetics. Under the hood, the GT Motorsport Collector's Edition boasts a high-performance engine that embodies the spirit of competition. Equipped with a powerful twin-turbo V8 engine, this model delivers exhilarating performance and responsiveness. The engineering team has fine-tuned the powertrain to provide an unmatched driving experience, ensuring that the car is as thrilling on the road as it is on the track. This blend of power and agility underscores Mercedes-AMG's commitment to delivering top-tier performance vehicles that cater to driving enthusiasts. In addition to its impressive power, the GT Motorsport Collector's Edition comes with an array of advanced technology and features that enhance the driving experience. The car is equipped with cutting-edge driver assistance systems, ensuring a blend of safety and performance. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and performance traction management provide drivers with the confidence to push the limits while maintaining control. What sets this limited edition apart is its connection to the world of Formula One. Mercedes-AMG has experienced a challenging season in the sport, and rather than shy away from this reality, the brand embraces it. The GT Motorsport Collector's Edition serves as a tribute to the perseverance and determination required to succeed in motorsport. It highlights the notion that even the most successful teams face adversity, and true champions rise above it. By celebrating the ups and downs of racing, Mercedes-AMG fosters a sense of authenticity and connection with its fan base. The interior of the GT Motorsport Collector's Edition is designed to provide a luxurious and immersive driving experience. With premium materials and cutting-edge technology, the cabin reflects the brand's commitment to excellence. The cockpit features sporty accents, advanced infotainment systems, and ergonomic seating designed to keep drivers comfortable during long journeys or spirited drives. This combination of luxury and performance is what has made Mercedes-AMG a standout brand in the high-performance segment. As a limited edition model, the GT Motorsport Collector's Edition is expected to attract significant interest from collectors and automotive enthusiasts. With only a select number of units available, this vehicle will undoubtedly become a sought-after piece for those looking to add a unique and meaningful addition to their collections. The allure of owning a car that symbolizes both the thrill of motorsport and the challenges faced by a prestigious brand is a compelling narrative for potential buyers. Furthermore, the introduction of this model coincides with a growing trend in the automotive industry where brands are increasingly emphasizing their motorsport heritage. Consumers are drawn to vehicles that tell a story and embody a legacy, and the GT Motorsport Collector's Edition does just that. By acknowledging its challenges while celebrating its successes, Mercedes-AMG reinforces its position as a brand that values authenticity and passion. In conclusion, the Mercedes-AMG GT Motorsport Collector's Edition is a remarkable tribute to the brand's racing heritage and resilience in the face of adversity. With its striking design, powerful performance, and connection to Formula One, this limited edition vehicle is sure to resonate with enthusiasts and collectors alike. As Mercedes-AMG continues to navigate the complexities of motorsport, this model serves as a reminder that perseverance and passion are at the heart of every great racing story.